Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on iPad 11-inch 2024. To do this, first let's try to find the SIM slot on this device. And as you can see on the top side, there's no SIM slot. On the left side, the same, no SIM slot. On the bottom side, nothing. And on the right side, the same, nothing. And to do more research, we can also visit our website, hardreset.info. Let's turn off the alarm first. And inside we can read that regarding SIM card size, it's eSIM, which confirms that there's no SIM slot on this device, not a dual SIM as well, but you can set up the eSIM on that device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.